sweet people. Tell me how your day is going. Mine's going wonderful. And you know what? I really appreciate you stopping by, and I will not forget to say thank you to my fabulous subscribers. Today's video is going to be all about Candle Day 2020. And you know what? Let's talk about it. As you know, this time of year, I don't know about you, but I just love, the smell of the, Christmas and all those holidays and the different smells, and just to be reminiscent, because the house gets all locked in and you don't really get that fresh air like you do during the summertime with the windows open. So I like a little ambiance of smell-orama, you know what I mean. So anyways, this is my collection that I got for the holidays, for this time that we're in the house. And you know what? I just love to have those scents in there because it just brings you up and makes you just warm inside and just very festive. And you know what? Let's jump on board. So this is going to be the 3-wick set that I have from Bath and Body Works. I almost said something wrong. So anyways, I've got the first one here. It's called Pink Fairy Gumdrop. Look at this. And this is sparkling sugar berries, pink cotton candy, fairy dust, and you know what? They have essential oils in here. So that's why the aroma just goes through the house, is because of those essential oils. They are incredible. Oh. And you just smell that cotton candy, remind you of that. I think this one is just adorable. And this is called Pink Fairy Gumdrop. Right there it is. Let me see, get you in there. And here's the top, which I love the decorations on these. And you know what? Right after you're done with it and you burn it down, just take off the label and use this for anything you want. It has a nice little seal inside. So I think you're golden. So next up I went way on the other end from Fairy Gumdrop to Blueberry Sugar. This one is phenomenal. If you love the smell of blueberries, but not that overwhelming, if you've ever worked on a farm and when you were a kid and picked berries with the family, this is what you've got. So anyways, here it is. It's a 3-wick. And this smells like sweet blueberry, brown sugar, graham cracker crust, and it has essential oils in it. And this is, oh my gosh. It's just that lovely light scent, but not to be overwhelming, because some of them can just be really out there or not at all, which I really don't like. And the essential oils really help with that aroma and the throw across your house. I mean, I put it in the bottom, down at the bottom of my stairs, and it'll go all through the house. Really spectacular. Next up, I'm thinking of this one for New Year's. So you can guess what it is. Champagne Toast. Oh, look at this. And look at the top. Really pretty. I love the design. It has the little, washer in it, for lack of a better word, kind of a lid thing. And so it really has nice and snug in here. So it doesn't lose its scent. This also has essential oils. And look at this right there. Let me see if I can get it in there. And this is like bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and a juicy tangerine, kind of a twinge to it, and that essential oils. And you know what? It's a great balance. It's not too sweet or too strong. So just that smell of opening up a bottle of champagne on New Year's, that's what this smells like. Just when you have that little bubbly right under your nose where it tickles you right before you take your sip, that's this one. Next up, I really went out there, and this one's called Frosted Coconut Snowball right here. And this is toasted coconut, vanilla mist, whipped cream, and don't forget about the essential oils. And there's what it looks like. Oh, you can smell just enough of the coconut, and you just, that the essential oils is just awesome. And look at the packaging on this. This is beautiful, especially if you put in a candle holder. Nobody would know. But you know what? You get your money's worth, especially if you can pick these up at sale at Bath and Body Works. And this one's a great way to put the season and to the holidays right in your household. And oh, so gorgeous. And you know, it has that little hint of coconut, which I think I mentioned before, where you could just, how can I say, if you're baking and you have those, you know, those coconut, you know, flakes, really nice. Or you know, sometimes just wanted bakering through the house, it'd be awesome. So this is a nice little scent as well. So next one, last but not least, is Bath and Body Works, and this is the White Barn collection, and this one's called Island Margarita. Yeah, kind of went off the deep end, because you get to the point where you get tired of being inside and having the holidays, and it's after the new year, and then you need to think about spring. So hopefully we'll be out and about and just free to do whatever we need and travel. So this one I got is called Island Margarita. Whoa. And as I said, this is a 3-wick, and this is a sweet mandarin orange. It has some mango in it. It has sea salt, so if you like that, that kind of a smell, oh, it's gorgeous. And it has essential oils. But these are nice big ones, and if you can get these on sale, they recently had a sale for $10 each, and then all the way went down to buy 3 get 3. So you know what, just keep your eyes open and you can pick up some great deals. And these have a great throw, and you know what, they last for a long time. And even if you put the wick out, it still has that beautiful scent because the wax hasn't hardened yet. So it's still, roaming through the house, and it's just, you still have that continual, smell-orama, as you know what I say. So anyways, I think, I hope you enjoy this video. I love these scents. And you know what, I just wanted to share it with you, and hopefully, you found something that you were intrigued by. So anyways, you have a fabulous one, and don't forget to do the like, subscribe, and hit the little bell below. And you know what, we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.